think it's actually less steep.
Fuck yeah.
Woo, look at that. That's pretty. Look at that cactus with the like small hands. That actually wasn't bad at all.
No.
Yeah, right. Whose idea was this? This doesn't scare me. It's fairly level. Going downhill.
That one's too big.
Where's it at? On my front tire?
Yeah, front right.
How big is it?
It's a big drop.
It's a big one.
Big rock?
Oh,
Yeah.
shit.
Can I go over it?
I don't know. You could
It's too
try.
big.
Yes, it's a big rock.
Oh, dude.
You kind of barely.
Well, I mean, where else am I gonna go?
All right, yeah.
Laugh it out.
Dude.
That's fine. It's okay. This is part of it. You're okay.
I mean,
Get out. You get real friendly. Oh, yeah.
I love the
We
confidence, Jim.
Just gonna get a. I just want to scratch my truck.
kind of scratching it right now.
Oh yeah, we're good. She's the big boy. Oh yeah.
That didn't feel as good when Jimmy buckled up.
Well, yeah, of course. Yeah, my seatbelt on.
Safety first.
Yeah.
Very unsure, yes. 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 It's so dusty here, Brendan. Shut your window.
No, that's part of the experience.
That's right.
Get dust in the face.
Get some grit.
Yeah. Fiber. Alright. Yeah.
Okay. A little too rough.
Shit.
Oh, we were fine with it.
Whoop section coming up.
Yeah.
Yes.
Chair still there?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
we're gonna have to resituate the seat because there's nothing on it anymore.
Okay. Before we hit any high speeds. All right. Somebody get out and do a slow-mo on me whipping the shit. Might get a little dusty, but son of a bitch. Fucking berm here. That's nice out here. Son of a bitch, too.
I'm over it. Well, it looks like hobos live out here.
Yeah.
For sure.
That's for sure.
Looking from the road or?
Looking back, like
Trying to keep it as smooth as possible.
she's real smooth. Yeah, it's not real bad.
Smooth ride.
I almost fell asleep.
Son of a bitch. Taking a little snooze.
When my head is bruised, it's so hard. I like that.
I don't like drifting anymore, that's all I know.
Well, she's safe. That's what she's made for. Yeah. She's a smooth running son of a bitch.
Pretty good brakes, yeah.